In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable noise cancellation in Google Meet. Whether you're preparing for an important presentation or just want to ensure clear communication, activating noise cancellation can make a world of difference. So let's dive in and see how you can easily set this up in just a few simple steps. To start off, you'll need to head over to meet.google.com and select the meeting you're planning to attend. This can be a scheduled meeting or one you're joining spontaneously. Once you've selected your meeting, but before clicking that join button, take a moment to adjust some settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find the More Options button represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on those and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, you'll want to click on Settings. This is your hub for controlling various options related to your meeting setup. Within the settings window, go ahead and click on the audio section. Here you'll find a toggle for noise cancellation. Simply turn this feature on to activate noise cancellation. By enabling this, Google Meet will automatically reduce background noise, focusing on your voice for clearer communication. Now that you've made these adjustments, you're ready to join the meeting. Just click Join Now, and you can proceed knowing that your audio will be as clear as possible. Now let's talk about what to do if you're already in a meeting and you decide you want to activate noise cancellation. Don't worry, it's just as easy to turn on during your call. First, look at the bottom right corner of your meeting screen. Once again, you'll find the More Options button denoted by 3 dots. Click on this to open the Options menu. Once the menu is open, navigate to Settings. As with the pre-meeting setup, go over to the audio section. Here you will see the option to toggle noise cancellation on. Turn it on, and just like magic, the ambient noise will fade away, allowing your discussion to take center stage. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your audio quality both before and during meetings, ensuring that your voice is heard loud and clear. Noise cancellation in Google Meet is a game changer, particularly in today's remote working and learning environments where distractions are abundant. Hopefully these tips will enable a smoother, more focused meeting experience for you and your colleagues or classmates. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found this video beneficial, consider sharing it with others who might need a little help with their virtual meetings.